Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing, as it means a lot. Today, guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace a inner tail light on Hyundai Elantra. We're talking about the inner tail lights right here. So both of them will be identical procedure, guys. We'll demonstrate on this one, so stay with us and we'll show you how to do that now. Make sure you turn the car off, you turn the ignition switch off, and you don't have any of the lights on when you do that. Okay guys, in order to remove the tail light now, you have two nuts that are obvious, but okay, right here. But you have two that, one of them that is hidden under right here. So stay with us to see what we're going to do now. Okay, we'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a trim removal tool for the clips. You can find the links on our website and you can find more information in the description of the video, guys. Okay, about all the tools we use and things like that. So now, okay, those are the clips right there. So you need to untwist, okay, go counterclockwise to remove the middle piece of the clip. Okay, and then you need to pull the clip out. Okay, one is out. We'll need to do that for two of them. Okay, we have this one here as well. And some of them will start stripping. That's the plastic clips. They tend to do that sometimes. So the idea is, like, if you go in the middle, okay, right here with the tool actually, you can help it unscrew if you have a scenario like that. Okay, and you pull it out like that. We'll remove one more so we have more room to show you. Okay, third one worked really easy, you can see. Piece of cake. You need to unscrew a little bit more. Okay, and pull it out. Next, okay, you need to remove, okay, that piece right here, and that's where the tail light is now. Alright guys, so for this one we'll actually remove two more clips so we can reach the nut better, easier way, because otherwise you have to fold this thing too much to stick the camera in and show you. But if you know where everything is, you will not need to remove those two, but it's more convenient. It takes only like a minute. Okay, and now let me show you. This is right here, guys. You can see this is the nut. So we'll need to remove this one with a 10mm socket. Okay, nut is right there, about to come out. Okay, and now we have two plastic nuts. You have to be careful when you get those tied not to break them. Okay, so go ahead, remove them. And now we're gonna grab the tail light and you need to push it out. Okay, now we have the wires that we should have disconnected first. Okay, let me show you how to disconnect them quick. Okay, you have to press in on the middle piece and take them apart. Okay, like that. And this is, guys, the outer tail light. When you're ready to install it, all you have to do, put it back together exactly in reverse order we took it apart. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.